Notice how when I click Learn More, I auto scroll down to this section. That's because I have a HTML anchor link or auto scroll link that I've set up on this Divi page. So I'm going to show you how you can do that by going to Enable the Visual Builder. First thing I'm going to do is find the area I want to scroll to. So I'm going to come down to my products here, and I'm going to hover over this text area and click on the gray box and the cog. And this step will be the same for any section, rows, columns, or anything you have set up. We go to Advanced, where it has CSS IDs and classes. Under the ID, we give it a name. So what do I call this one? Products. I keep it one word, no spaces. I generally try not to use numbers, and I click tick, and that is the ID, not the class. And in order to auto scroll down to that section, there's a few ways I can do that. I can come here, I can add a button, and the link is simply hash products. And maybe I say, check out our products. I'm going to quickly sort of center align the button. And there's also another way that we can do it. I can simply just make it a text link. I can come in here, say click here to check out our products, and I can just create a normal text link. Hash. So remember the hashtag is important, but don't include the hash on the ID class. Products. Okay. And then I'm going to exit the Visual Builder and save. So now when I scroll down, I click check out our products, and it auto scrolls down to this area. If I come up again, click on this link, again, it auto scrolls down. Essentially, you just need to give it a CSS ID and link to it with a hash in front, and it will auto scroll there automatically. Another cool thing you can do also is if I go to, say, a different page, I can even add more in here. This is where it can get interesting. I highlight this and I click link. But this time I give it the link of the page which has the area I want to scroll to. And then I type slash and then hash products. And I click OK and then tick. Now I have this link here. I exit the Visual Builder. And if I click on this link, it'll go to our home page and auto scroll like this. And it's as simple as that. So not only do anchor links work on the same page, if you put the page's address and then add the hash and the name after, you can auto scroll on from other pages, which is pretty handy. And that's the quick and easy way to do that. Very simple, easy to do with the Divi theme, easy to do in WordPress. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving it a like. Otherwise, I hope you see you again soon. Have a great day.